All right, 143 class, this is some more notes from 2B. This is problem number 11. So, assume when you take a bath, you fill the tub at the halfway point. The tub measures 6 feet by 3 feet by 3.4 feet. And when you take a shower, use a shower head with a flow rate of 1.3 gallons per minute. Okay, typically spend 10 minutes in the shower. There's 7.5 gallons per 1 cubic foot. And we're supposed to do these 3 parts. So do you use more water taking a shower or a bath? Alright, so if we fill this up halfway, and it measures 6 feet by 3 feet by 3.4 feet, so 6 feet, 3 feet by 3.4 feet, that's completely full, but it says that we're only going to fill it out halfway. So if I divide that by 2 or just use any of those, half of those numbers, like I could replace that 6 with a 3, or I could replace that 3 with a 1.5. Just divide by 2 at the end, or just use half of any of those numbers. You'll get how much water you put in the bath. Alright, that is 30.6 cubic feet for the bath. Now for the shower, it says we have a flow rate of 1.34 gallons per minute. Now, we spend 10 minutes in the shower. So the first thing I'm going to do is just multiply that number by 10. And if you remember, when you multiply a number by 10, it just moves a decimal one place. So I spend 13.4 gallons on a shower. And then it says here there's 7.5 gallons in a cubic foot. So I need to be able to compare this, I need to switch this to cubic feet, or the other to cubic feet, or the other to gallons. The question has cubic feet in the answer, so convert everything to cubic feet. So this is already in cubic feet, so I'm going to convert this to cubic feet by putting this gallons here, so I'm going to put 7.5 gallons on the bottom, and I'm going to put the 1 cubic foot on the top. Alright, gallons cancel. 1.34 divided by 7.5 is how many cubic feet I end up using here. So 13.4 divided by 7.5 is 1.79 roughly cubic feet. Alright, and then if you noticed in that when I brought the preview of the question up, it has you subtract to see how much more this is. So 30.6 minus 1.79, I'll just call that 1.8. 28.8 more cubic feet for the bath. Alright, then it says how long would you need to shower in order to use as much water as you use taking a bath? Well, again, here's our cubic feet here. So 30.6 cubic feet is how many cubic feet we use to take a bath. But the shower flow rate, this question would be made easier if because this is in 1.34 gallons per minute. So we could answer the question how long faster if this was in gallons. So we're going to use that same conversion rate of 1 cubic foot is 7.5 gallons. This time it's to go back the other way. It's to switch to gallons. So we need to take 30.6 and we want to multiply that by 7.5. Alright, this time the 7.5 is in the numerator, so we multiply. So 229.5 gallons. Alright, so this is how many gallons we need to come out of that shower head to be equal to the amount of gallons used in the bath. Well, if it comes out 1.34 gallons per minute, this is gallons. If we divide by 1.34 gallons per minute, the units that we're going to end up with are minutes. Okay, it's just like when we did miles divided by miles per hour, we got hours. Gallons divided by gallons per minute is minutes. So I'm going to take this 229.5 and divide by 1.34, and I get 171.27 minutes. Which is almost 3 hours. Okay, that's almost a 3-hour shower. 180 minutes is 3 hours. That's a long shower. Alright, so there's our 28.8 cubic feet more for the bath. There's our 171 minutes. That's how long you would need to take a shower. And then part C, I just wanted to show you on here. It says, assuming your shower is your bathtub, give a non-mathematical way without this flow rates. So it's just a common sense thing. Just put the drain in when you're taking the shower and see how much you use. Okay. Alright, so anyway, that was a common sense one for part C. That's why I didn't put anything in there. But there's the math needed to do parts A and B.